Hello students, how are you? Hope you all are fine. So students, yesterday I explained the first part of chapter 1, Life's Lighter Moments. Today we will continue the second part of the same chapter, Flying Cakes Are Dangerous. Students, this incident happened in Sydney because during the rush hour, two cars were struck with each other and the drivers were doing arguments. At the same time, a woman was learning to drive a car. To see the arguments of the drivers, she got panic and stopped her car suddenly. And behind her car, a driver was driving his car and his wife was sitting beside him and she was holding a large cake in her hand. With the sudden brake of the car, she was thrown forward. And the cake which she was holding in her hand was thrown out from the window and was lying on the road. To see the flying cake in the air, a lorry driver who was going alongside the car pulled up all of a sudden. And in his lorry, there were empty bottles of soft drinks and they all had broken on the road. All these arguments led a big problem for everyone. Everyone is doing arguments with each other and there was a traffic jam on the road. So the police have to came there to get off the traffic so that the vehicles can move on. You can see all this incident in this picture. And at the same time, the police had ordered the lorry driver to sweep up all the broken bottles from the road. But on the other hand, two stray dogs, stray means avara, two stray dogs get benefit from all this confusion. They all had devoured the cake happily. Devoured means eating greedily. So students, from all this incident, we can learn that our focus should be on the road while driving. Otherwise, it will create a big problem for everyone. So students, I hope you have cleared all the doubts and understood the chapter very well. Now I will discuss the question answer. First is, what happened during the rush hour? During the rush hour, two cars were collided with each other. What did the woman driving the car do? The woman was learning to drive a car. Question 2. Who else applied the brakes all at once? A car driver applied the brakes all at once. Who was sitting next to the driver? His wife was sitting next to him. What was she holding? She was holding a large cake in her hand. What happened to it? A cake was thrown out from the window and lying on the road. Question 3. Who was drawing up alongside the car? A lorry driver was drawing up alongside the car. Why did he pull up all of a sudden? To see the flying cake in the air, he pulled up all of a sudden. What was in the lorry? There were empty bottles of soft drinks in his lorry. Question 4. What did the lorry driver have to do? The lorry driver had to clean all the broken bottles from the road. So students, I hope you have cleared all the questions and the story, and I hope you will enjoy the story of this part. If you have any confusion, then you can contact me on my personal number. Thank you.